Okay, so it's 2 hours and my meat is all done. It's cooked and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Na smell like Christmas right in a Jewel kitchen. Welcome back to Jewel in the kitchen. I hope you're all doing well and I hope it's looking like Christmas wherever you are. So guys, talking about Christmas, it was last year this time I was in Jamaica. We were all celebrating our mom's 90th birthday. Guess what? Yesterday was her 91st birthday and I'm so happy. We are all so blessed to have our mom at 91 with good health and she's doing fine with great spirit. So I just want to give thanks for that. So talking about that, let's get to the real business. We're collaborating another time with our great. And this time we're cooking from our culture. You guys, you know I'm from Jamaica, live in the USA. We're all gonna be cooking one of our favorite dishes. When I was thinking really hard, what is my favorite dish? I really don't have a favorite dish for cooking. I just love to cook and just cook anything. So, but one of our favorite dish in Jamaica and Christmas is goat meat and it's curry. We always just kill the goat at Christmas Day and cook. So we cook the same day. So it was some managed water on the side there, outside in the backyard, in our kitchen pan of wood fire, and inside we have our curry goat cooking on the stove. But this time I'm not going to cook in my goat curry, because I cook so much curry I not even can keep a nice fingernail going because of curry. So because of that, and it's not because of that, I just wanted to do something different. I'll be roasting a leg. Guys, just come with me and let's see what my goat meat look like. So this is my 6 pound of goat leg, and this is what we're going to be making: roast goat leg. My ingredients: I'm going to add some rosemary to it, some thyme, onion, scallion, and garlic, and all the other seasoning. You can use whatever season you have: onion powder, all purpose, garlic powder, and I'm going to blend all of this together. I'm just going to trim this a little bit, not much, because I need some fat to be left on the goat. When your meat have a little fat, it's good. Nice for cooking. The fat helps to give it the flavor. I'm going to leave on some of this. I'm going to add this to my seasoning. All of this in my food processor. Onion here, scallion here, thyme, celery, and I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning. You could use whatever seasoning you want, and whatever meat seasoning, whatever all-purpose seasoning. And I'm still having garlic powder in. I'm adding some onion powder because this is going to be my stuffing ingredient. And I'm adding a small amount of jerk seasoning to give it that little extra kick of spice. You could add some cayenne pepper to yours. That will still make it. Still adding some garlic and parsley, my favorite seasoning. And last but not least, I'm adding a little better than bouillon. You can't put a lot because it has, and this is beef. I need some onion. So I already had some garlic in here. I'm going to put this together. This is all my seasonings. So I'm going to go ahead and make some holes. I'm going to stuff seasoning inside here. You know, rub it down, and then I'm going to put seasoning. I'm going to leave this overnight. Guys, remember this is a collab, and you're going to go over and show some love to everyone in this collab. You're all cooking some wonderful dishes. Maybe you might find something you want to add to your dinner table for Christmas. So we're stuffing some in here. So I didn't add any salt to it because all this all-purpose season has salt. And I'm gonna add just a small amount of salt. You know, salt gives flavor, so I'm gonna add just a small amount because all the other season has salt. I hope you're all preparing for your Christmas and you're all gonna have a wonderful. I'm gonna put it right here in this pot. So it's that time, guys. We're back. It's 24 hours, seasoned yesterday, and it's here today ready to go on the pot. So my oil is hot, and I'm gonna put this in. I hope you're all doing well over there, wherever you are. Let's get this in. Okay. And we're gonna cover. And we're going to be back. So let this stay here now. Here, it's like an hour now since this is on. It's not cooking. I think it's going to take another hour and a half. So let's see here. It smells so good, guys. I'm so tempted to eat a piece even when it's not done. But it smells so good. And you turn it. Add some more to it. And as I said, I'm using beef broth, and I'm using also add some cooking wine to this. Okay, so it's 2 hours and my meat is all done. It's cooked and we don't overcook it. It's 2 hours and it's done cooking. We're gonna turn the fire off and look how beautiful it is. You could tell it's cooked. Look, this is the shank. And look at it, it's done. So it's done, it's cooked, it's tender. And I put my fork through, it's tender, no blood dripping. And you don't want it too dry. You want it to be moist. So it's done. See? No blood coming through it. So it's done and it's nice and tender. I'm gonna turn the fire down, let it cool down before I can make a slice from it. So I'll see you then. Look how beautiful it is. Pot roast. Beautiful, smell good. It's my contribution to the color. And shout out to all the other cooks. Guys, please remember to go over to their channel and show them some love. So guys, I just want to take a taste. I want to make a cut and show it to you. And that, taste it. Like any. It's so good. And guys, tell you what comes in. It's like how you make roast beef sandwich, you can make roast goat sandwich. And that just came to my mind. You know I'm gonna be making it. Tastes really good. Try it, guys. Everyone in this collab, I just want to give big shout out to you. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, whatever it is you celebrate. Be blessed. Thank you so much to Sandee, cooking at Mom's Kitchen, and Gloria's Platter. Everyone, I'm forgetting names now. I don't want to stay calling out everybody's names because you know who you are. We love you so much, guys. And for all my subscribers and supporters, thank you so much for watching. We come to the end of the year and I so want to say that I really truly appreciate you. It means a lot to me, you coming and watching my video and leaving comment. Stay blessed. And as always, remember to cook with love, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.